Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on roll video on on voice channel permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, click here, now click permissions, and here as you see you will find here video. Click on it like this and click save, and as you see here it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.